Hey everyone, this is Steph from Riveredge for the Riveredge Virtual Naturalist Series. Today we're going to be talking about garlic mustard, an invasive species that is trying its hardest to take over Riveredge. This is a close-up of the leaves, and then you can see it has kind of a purple stem underneath that leaf. That's the normal color. And then it leads into an S-curve into the root. Now, when you remove this plant, you don't want to just remove the leaves. If you do that, the plant will just grow new leaves, and you'll still have your garlic mustard problem. You don't want to just remove the very top part either, because you're going to have the same issue. That root will keep growing. You need to get the whole root. So I pulled this one out, and this is as much as I got. When I went back, this was still under the ground. So you can see it has a very long tap root, considering how much is above the ground. Make sure you get everything. When you do pull these, you want to make sure that you're not just dropping it on the ground, because they can resprout that way too. You want to either dispose of them in a bucket, a black plastic bag, or if you have a blacktop driveway, you can throw them in the driveway, let them dry out, and then you can dispose of them. Personally, I wait until they're dry, and then I throw them into my fire and burn them with the rest of my yard waste that happens to be there. Alright, so I'm going to start pulling some of the plants here at Riveredge. And it's okay for you to do it the same at your home. Now, personally, I like to pull them early in the season when they're very small. It makes a lot more fit into a bag. And then I don't have as much waste left behind. And then I can do a follow-up, usually in early June. You just want to make sure that you get everything out before it starts flowering. That's when you really have the issue. If you pull them and they already have the seeds, those seeds will still disperse themselves. So you want to make sure you get them when they're little. One of the easiest places to find it, not that it's really that hard in Wisconsin to find it now, is anywhere where an area has been disturbed. So this area of Riveredge, we just put in a new revision to our trail over here. We have been taking some trees down. Sometimes things get stuck on your shoes or your boots. So this area is kind of disturbed, and this is one of the areas where they're growing. So you want to make sure you grab down low, give it a nice firm pull, and out it comes with the whole root. The easiest time to pull is when the ground is very wet. So if you're going to wait until June to do your pulling, make sure you wait until you have a nice soaking type of rainstorm, and it'll be so much easier to get these guys out.